If you think Turn 14 Distribution's Car Club of America BMW M5 competition made a lot of horsepower before, just wait till you see how fast we add to those numbers. In this episode, we'll be installing the RaceChip's GTS Black system. This system is plug and play, has 7 supplied tuning maps, it's app controlled, and has a warm-up timer. It boasts gains of 119 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque. So, we got the car strapped to the dyno. We're gonna see what this puts down. We got the RaceChip's GTS Black system in, we got the Akrapovic full exhaust system, and we have the BMC filter. So we haven't dynoed it yet, we just got it on the rollers. We're gonna see what this thing does. So we just completed those 3 runs in RT Tuning's dyno room. We did map 0, map 3, and map 5. Map 0 is just the Akrapovic exhaust and the BMC air filters, no tuning whatsoever. 602 foot-pounds of torque. 588 horsepower. Map 3, which is a little tuning, 666 foot-pounds of torque and 616 horsepower. Then we put it on map 5. So map 5 netted us 670 foot-pounds of torque and 631 horsepower. What's impressive is where the torque number comes in is right around 3,000 RPM. So driving around town, this thing's really gonna put you in the seat. Okay, so stay tuned for the next episode where we're wrapping up this custom one-off build and give it some BMW individual touches.